Namaskar, myself Dr. Supreet Kumar welcomes you all in the weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. Today is 21st November. Let's first see the silent features of the weather during the last week, that is 13th November to 20th November. So very dense to dense fog continue to persist mainly over Punjab, Haryana, Northwest Rajasthan, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh during the first half, and then it significantly reduced in intensity, duration and special coverage over the region towards the end of the week. It was observed over Punjab till 18 November, Haryana, Delhi and Northwest Rajasthan till 19 November and Uttar Pradesh till 20th November. Also very heavy rainfall was observed at isolated places over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal on 16th and 20th November and over Kerala and Mahe on 16th November. Minimum temperatures were above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over northern India and south peninsular India and near normal over northeast India during this week. It has fallen by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade over plains of northwest India during the second half of the week. The lowest minimum temperature of 7.2 degrees centigrade had been recorded at Sikar, which is in East Rajasthan, on 19th November. Now the silent features for the next 2 weeks, that is from 22nd November to the 4th December 2024. So under the influence of prevailing cyclonic circulation, that is over Equatorial Indian Ocean near Sumatra coast and adjoining South Andaman Sea, a low pressure area is likely to form over the southeast Bay of Bengal around 23rd November. Thereafter, it is likely to move west-northwestwards and intensify into a depression over central parts of South Bay of Bengal during subsequent 2 days. Under its influence, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with isolated heavy falls likely over parts of South Peninsular India during the first half of the second week. Also, there is a low probability of cyclogenesis over the southern Bay of Bengal during the second week, that is from 29th November to 4th December. As per rainfall forecast scenario, it is likely to be above normal over northeast India and normal to above normal over South Peninsular India during the first week, and rainfall is likely to be above normal over most parts of South Peninsular, Central and East India, below normal over Northwest India and many parts of the Southeast India during the second week. Dense to very dense fog conditions very likely to prevail in early mornings hours in isolated pockets of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh during first week. There is no significant change in minimum temperatures likely during the next 2 weeks. Now, if you see the images from the INSAT 3DR satellite images, fog conditions during 13th to 20th November 2024, the fog conditions, as we can see, that reduced significantly from 14th to 19th November. When you talk about observed rainfall, very heavy rainfall was observed at isolated places over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal on 16th, 18th and 20th November, and Kerala and Mahe on 16th November. Also heavy rainfall observed over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal during 14th to 20th November, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam on 14th November, Rayalaseema on 17th November, Kerala and Mahe during 15th to 16th and 20th November, Lakshadweep on 20th November. Now we'll see the features of observed rainfall from 14th to 20th November, like that is the last week. And the first image shows that how much the rainfall over the Met subdivision of our country. So the most of the country remained dry, and there was excess in the southern peninsular India and deficient conditions over Himalayan region and some states of the northeast. Overall, in the last week, all India rainfall was below normal by 33%. When you see the seasonal scenarios, that is rainfall from observed rainfall from 1st October to 20th November 2024, overall rainfall was below normal by 11%. And there was areas with large deficiency, that is east coastal states and then Rajasthan, and there were large deficient over northern subdivisions of the country. So for homogeneous region rainfall, if you see, east and northeast India had minus 98% departure from the long period average during the week, and over the season it was, that is from 1st October to till now, it was departure of plus 4%. And if you see the northwest India, it was for the week it was departure of minus 82%, and for the season it was minus 75% departure. For central India, the departure was around minus 93%, and for seasonal departure was minus 18%. For South Peninsular India, the departure was plus 7%, and seasonal departure was minus 2%. Country as a whole has deficient rainfall, that is minus 33% for a week, and for the season the deficiency was minus 11%. If you see the temperature anomaly for the last week, temperatures were nearly normal, and the minimum temperature was below normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over central parts of the country, and maximum temperatures were above normal by 1 to 3 degrees over northeast India during the week. And now for cyclogenesis for the coming 2 weeks, under the influence of the existing cyclonic circulation over the equatorial Indian Ocean of Sumatra coast and adjoining South Andaman Sea, a low pressure area is likely to form over southwest Bay of Bengal around 23rd November. It is likely to move west-northwestwards and intensify into a depression over central parts of South Bay of Bengal around 25th November. During the second week, there is a low probability of cyclogenesis over the South Bay of Bengal. Now we'll see what is the extended range forecast for the next 2 weeks for rainfall. So during week 1, it's clear from the picture, rainfall is likely to above normal over northeast India and normal to above normal over South Peninsular India. During the week 2, rainfall is likely to be above normal over most part of the Southern Peninsula, Central and East India, below normal over Northwest India and many parts of Northeast India during the week. And now extended range outlook for the cold wave. There is a nil probability of cold wave event over any parts of the country during next 2 weeks. Now let's see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1 to 7 for that's upcoming week. So on day 1st, there is a heavy rainfall warning over Kerala and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and also very heavy to very heavy rainfall warning over Tamil Nadu. Also thunderstorm warning over northeastern states and dense fog warning over UP, that is the Tarai region of western UP. For day 2, dense fog is forecasted over Punjab and Haryana, and thunderstorms are forecasted for northeastern states, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, and heavy rainfall is warning is for Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which will continue for the day 3 also. And day 3, dense fog is forecasted over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana, few places there. And for day 4, heavy rainfall warning continues for Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and dense fog conditions are forecasted for few places at Himachal Pradesh, which will continue to day 5 also. And on day 5, heavy rainfall warning is given for Tamil Nadu along with thunderstorms over Kerala. For day 6, that is 26th November, heavy to very heavy rainfall is forecasted for coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, along with heavy rainfall at isolated places over Kerala and Rayalaseema. And for day 7, very heavy rainfall at isolated places is forecasted over coastal Andhra Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu and Kerala is forecasted. That's all. Thank you for watching. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.